And just like that, we're on day 5 of the challenge. How did it go yesterday? Did you shine your sink? Are you dressed to shoes? I hope you are. Today is going to be another light and easy day. Fly means finally loving yourself. So today we're going to do just that. On the Fly Lady's website, it says to recognize those negative thoughts. And when you have one, you're going to replace it with a positive one. And today, for day 5 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Steps Challenge, you get to say some kind words to ourselves. So find a mirror. Today's challenge is nice and easy, but it also could be challenging if you're not used to talking this way about yourself. That's okay. We all got to start somewhere. I had to get used to it too. Today, let's all meet by a mirror and say kind words together. Let's talk about how far we've come, how much we've done, and for the rest of today and every other day throughout the challenge, every time a negative thought comes in our head, it is not welcome. We are going to replace it with a positive thought. Okay, so here we go. Okay, hi. How are you? Your day is going well? I'm glad. Look at you. You've been dressing to shoot. You've been shining your sink. You're doing all of the Fly Lady stuff. You're doing a good job. Don't forget to rest. I know it's challenging for you. You gotta do it. Okay? We finally love ourselves. We're gonna get this done. You got this. I know you can do it. You're doing good. Look at your necklace. Wow, I like your nails. Yay! We did our sticky notes. We're sticking to the challenge every day. We're getting up and showing up, and we're making progress over perfection. Yay! Surprise! I'm going to say some kind words to you too. Wow, look at you. You're awesome. You look stunning dressed down to shoes. I know you're doing such a good thing. You're getting up every day and showing up for you and your family. You're doing amazing every day, little by little. That's what counts. I see you shining your sink. You are definitely going places every day. You're waking up, showing up. Your sink is so shiny, but not more than your smile and your personality. Look at you. You look great. You are doing wonderful. Every day you're getting closer and closer to your goals. We're one step closer. You're doing amazing. You are loved. You are blessed. And don't forget, you are enough. You got this. Wow, wasn't that fun? Or awkward? I don't know. Could have been a little bit of both. But what I do know is the more we do it, the more used to it we'll get and the more loving we'll be to ourselves. And that is one of the best things that we can do, because when we love ourselves and our cup is filled, we can now love on others and give to others even more. So be sure that you're doing this one every single day. Don't skip it. Whether you do it in the morning while you're dressing to shoes or whether you do it before you go to bed. Hey, it might even be beneficial to do it both of those times and more. Be sure that you're saying some kind words to yourself, and every time a negative thought comes, we're going to cast it out and replace it with a positive one. I know you can do it. We're already on day 5. Once you finish this, be sure to comment done in the comments down below for your chance to win. We got this. The next couple of days are going to be jam-packed with activities, and they are going to be so much fun. Speaking of fun, don't forget to play something fun as you're doing the challenge. Review the 5 simple rules, get your free calendar, and I pray I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.